Now we are painting our home. Look at our Christmas tree, so cute. And we are going to put wallpaper here, so we are not going to paint. We now paint this side, Nabi. We are going to put wallpaper there. Say hello to Santa. This is our minimalist Christmas decoration. And here's our Christmas tree. That's hubby painting over there. Okay, now later. Now I want to open this. Okay fam, welcome back. Yeah, we are done with the painting. It's time to put up the wallpapers.
You take a paper and start making me. Every step is major. Try to be focusing, and of course it hurts every thought you make, but I know for what it's for my own sake. I'm a paper blind, wind is throwing me across the sky. Thanks to you, at least I can fly. I'm a paper blind. This is what you've done to me, but thanks to you, turbulence doesn't scare me anymore.
Yeah, this is the wall so far.
All ups and downs, they are all my wind waves. I am flying through the sky and don't care about the haze. Oh, I'm honestly not tired of my pretty flight, and it's sad, and I know it will be over sometime. I'm a paper blind, wind is throwing me across the sky. Thanks to you, at least I can fly. I'm a paper blind. This is what you've done to me, but thanks to you, turbulence doesn't scare me anymore. Why did you teach me how to?
Wow, it's so cute.
How to fly, but forgot that I should land. I'm a paper.
phone?
Yes.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys. It sound right, boys. It sound right, boy.
Be the fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me.